Cisco is pretty well involved in everything that everybody does in some form. I mean, for example, using your mobile phone. It's not just about making the calls, it's about receiving text, sending text. If you want to get football results on your phone, they really have been enabled by Cisco's infrastructure to deliver it to you, but also the back-end systems, the huge data centers that all the information is stored on, are also created by us to deliver that information. We've introduced our latest product called Telepresence, and Telepresence allows you to use high definition, high quality screens where when you are talking to somebody who may be the other side of the world, you're looking them in the eye, you're responding to their body actions, you're seeing the body language of that person, and you're feeling like you had a real meeting.
We came into Cisco and we did like a telepresence program with Panther Creek, that's a school from America. The program was aimed at seeing like the similarities and differences of both our schools.
It felt like we were actually in the room with them. They weren't even like over the other side of the Atlantic.
You have to pinch yourself sometimes, don't you? You think 10 years ago it wouldn't have been possible to do any of this stuff with it at all. It saves a huge amount of travelling time, and that has a big green impact. The camera is a triple camera, and it actually joins all the images together. And then the codec behind that also connects all the sound from around the room, so you really create a real meeting environment.
It felt like the people they were sitting opposite you, which made it quite easy.
I think real virtualisation, where people will physically feel like they're in a room, is going to be a normal thing for us.
I live 250 miles away from the office, and I'm also a parent of twins, so being able to balance my family life with my work commitments is really important to me, and I'm able to do that through working at home and leveraging all the tools and resources that are available to me. I use a technology called VPN, or Virtual Private Networks, and this is the foundation upon which remote working is built. And once connected, you have access to all the tools and resources as if you were in the office and not at home. My team are also remote to me, so another thing that I really like is being able to collaborate with them as if they were in the same room. We use a variety of different tools. We use WebEx, which is an integrated suite. It has instant messaging, it has meeting center capabilities, and with that you can use the video conferencing. It's got forums and discussion areas, you name it, it has it. And we're moving more from your traditional email and telephone interactions to more of a virtual space environment.
The real future is about things that we can't imagine, collaboration with anybody, anywhere, perhaps at the touch of a button, a click of a mouse, or even a spoken word.